Aries, the first sign of the zodiac, is known for its boldness, passion, and pioneering spirit. Individuals born under this fire sign are natural leaders, driven by ambition and a thirst for adventure. They are fiercely independent and courageous, always willing to take risks and embrace challenges head-on. Taurus, an earth sign ruled by Venus, is characterized by its steadfastness, practicality, and appreciation for the finer things in life. Taurians are known for their reliability, determination, and love of comfort and stability. They have a strong sense of loyalty and are deeply grounded in their values, making them trustworthy and dependable companions. Gemini, an air sign symbolized by the twins, is known for its curiosity, versatility, and sociability. Geminis are intellectually curious, adaptable, and skilled communicators, often displaying a dual nature that balances logic and emotion. They thrive in social settings and enjoy engaging with others through lively conversations and debates. Cancer, a water sign ruled by the moon, is known for its sensitivity, intuition, and nurturing nature. Individuals born under this sign are deeply empathetic, protective, and emotionally attuned to the needs of others. They have a strong sense of home and family and prioritize emotional connections above all else. Leo, a fire sign ruled by the sun, is known for its confidence, charisma, and flair for the dramatic. Leos are natural-born leaders, creative thinkers, and lovers of attention, often commanding the spotlight wherever they go. They are generous, warm-hearted individuals who thrive on admiration and appreciation from others. Virgo, an earth sign ruled by Mercury, is known for its precision, practicality, and attention to detail. Virgos are meticulous, analytical, and organized, with a strong sense of duty and a desire for perfection. They excel in planning and problem-solving, often serving as the reliable and efficient backbone of any project or endeavor. Libra, an air sign ruled by Venus, is known for its diplomacy, charm, and sense of fairness. Individuals born under this sign are natural peacemakers, adept at navigating social situations and seeking harmony in all aspects of life. They value justice and equality and are skilled at seeing multiple perspectives in any given situation. Scorpio, a water sign ruled by Mars and Pluto, is known for its intensity, passion, and depth of emotion. Scorpios are fiercely loyal, intuitive, and determined, with a penchant for transformation and a mysterious allure. They are deeply introspective and value authenticity and honesty above all else, making them fiercely protective of their loved ones. Sagittarius, a fire sign ruled by Jupiter, is known for its optimism, independence, and love of adventure. Sagittarians are philosophical, adventurous souls, always seeking new experiences and expanding their horizons. They are freedom-loving and open-minded, with a thirst for knowledge and a desire to explore the world around them. Capricorn, an earth sign ruled by Saturn, is known for its ambition, discipline, and practicality. Capricorns are hardworking, responsible, and goal-oriented individuals, often driven by a desire for success and status. They possess strong leadership qualities and are adept at navigating challenges with patience and perseverance. Aquarius, an air sign ruled by Uranus and Saturn, is known for its individuality, innovations, and humanitarian values. Aquarians are forward-thinking, eccentric, and idealistic, often advocating for social change and embracing unconventional ideas. They are independent thinkers and natural humanitarians, always striving to make the world a better place for all. Pisces, a water sign ruled by Neptune, is known for its sensitivity, creativity, and empathy. Pisceans are dreamy, intuitive, and deeply compassionate individuals, often drawn to the arts and spiritual pursuits. They possess a vivid imagination and a strong connection to their emotions, making them empathetic and understanding of others' feelings.